TikTok is one of the apps on your phone, like YouTube or Facebook, that lets you watch, create, or share videos with other people. These videos are made by people like you, all over the world. Some of them may be people you know, but many you won't. These videos are about all different subjects. A lot of videos on TikTok are about the news, music, or sport. But TikTok has lots of videos about many different things. You can even use TikTok to learn new things, like how to run a business, how to cook a new recipe, help your children with their homework, or how to fix something, such as clothing or a bicycle. When using the TikTok app, you can watch many videos. TikTok will show you videos it thinks you will be interested in on the For You page. Here, TikTok will show you different videos based on what you have watched before, what you have liked, and where you are in the world. If you don't watch a video or move past it quickly, TikTok will learn you don't like that video and will not show you others like it. You can also search for videos on something you are interested in. TikTok has so many videos that you could never watch them all. Therefore, it is important to learn how to search, as the number of videos on TikTok means you can find videos about things you are interested in. To find a video, you first need to click on the search icon on the top right of the screen and type in something you are interested in. For example, how to fix a bicycle. You then can choose the video that looks the best for you. Remember, you may need to scroll down to find it. You can also search using your voice by clicking the microphone button and speaking into your phone the thing you want to see, like bicycle repair or how to bake a cake. Using voice search in English may work better, but voice searches in other languages could work too. Just talk slowly and clearly. Watching TikTok videos is fun, but there are some important things to think about when using the app. Firstly, you may not like all the videos you see, but you can always move to another video by swiping up quickly on the screen. Then, TikTok will learn you don't want to see more videos like that. Remember that not everything you see on TikTok is true. So think before you share a video with friends or family, and don't believe everything you see. Secondly, TikTok, like all of the internet, is open to everyone around the world. So it is essential to treat it like a real-life public place, like the marketplace. Stay safe by thinking carefully about what you put on the app, and never share personal information like who you are or where you live. Thirdly, watching TikTok videos uses a lot of your mobile data, so be careful about how much time you spend on the app, or you may end up using all your mobile data bundle, meaning you won't be able to use the mobile internet again until you buy more data. Finally, make sure you take regular breaks away from using the app. While TikTok can add a lot of value to your business and your family, be careful not to spend all your time on the app. It is important to make time to socialize with friends and family in real life, not just on the internet. TikTok can help you in many different ways. Why don't you try it today? You can download TikTok on your phone's app store.